Hello friends, welcome to the channel Happy Learning. We are learning SQL here. Today we'll learn about the delete command. What is the importance of delete command in SQL, why it is being used and how we can use it. We'll learn the syntax of delete command and we'll do some practical to know how it works with some real-time data. We are having experience of around 14 years in IT industries, and from the day one till now we are doing a huge work in SQL. So SQL is having data and data is having the value. Value is having money. So SQL is quite important and your data is very much important in every term. So if you are experienced person, if you are going to apply for some certification exam, if you are a student, then it is going to be very helpful video for you. If you have not subscribed our channel till now, then kindly subscribe that and let's start learning. So here is a syntax of how to delete a record, how to delete data from the table. The delete statement is used to delete existing records or data from the table. And the syntax is at the right side, delete from table name and then where condition, whatever you want to apply on your data means your filters. Let's see how it works with the help of examples. Here is the delete command example. First one tells delete from customers where customer name John. Delete from the blue part is the syntax part which you have to write while putting some commands into the SQL. And then after customer is the table name and customer name is the name of the column. And I am putting the value of John just before name of the column means this statement will delete a single record or n number of the record which are having customer name John from the table customers. Another example is delete from customer where email ID is null. All the customer will get deleted if they have email ID null means blank or they have nothing in that particular column. Null is itself a value in the column. And third example is delete from customer where email ID is null and is active is 0. Let's see all this stuff in by using the practical. One more thing which is quite important is when you use where clause. If you omit where clause, what it will do? It will just delete all the content, all the rows from your table. Whatever the command you are giving to the table, on which table, whatever the table you are using, like delete from table name. Table name could be any table, your customer table, your location table, your account table, your any table like student table. It will just vanish all the data. It will just remove all the data from your table. So it's possible to delete all the rows without deleting a table means the table structure, attributes and index will be remain as it is, but data will be gone from your table if you are using delete statement without a where clause. So this is again a reminder while working with the delete queries, be careful if you are using delete statement but not using where clause into it because it can delete your all of the data. It could be a small table like your practice table. It could have 10 record, 15 record, or it could have 15,000, 50,000, or in records in million if you are working on some real-time project. So while working with the delete statement again and again we are saying just be careful while writing it. Let's learn how to do practical with it. So this is the TBL department. It is having a few records which we have created just to show the practical. We'll filter out a few records which we want to delete from it. We are having this example with where clause means how the where clause work with the delete statement. See, this is the select statement. We are trying to filter out a few records based on the column values. What this statement will do? It will pick all the names, all the data, all the rows from the TBL department table, which is having department ID greater than 28. It will not consider 28. It will pick greater than 28. So I'm having two records over here. So I want to delete these two records. It's always a better approach to put first select statement and then delete statement after it. So this row has deleted two records as you have seen, and then again if I go for select statement, it will just show me the empty result. Now let's see a few more examples related with it. See, now we have changed the department ID greater than 25 and is active 0 means these departments are not active. So I want to delete these departments. Let's put the where condition as it is. And let's see how many rows should be affected by this query. Yes, 3 records must be deleted if we put same query as we have in select statement. See, and now try to again just if you want to see what are the records. See, we have deleted the 3 records. Let's see what exactly the content remaining. These all are the data remaining in this TBL department. Now let's see how the delete statement works. Now we are going to delete records for the admin department. Only the where condition will be changed over here. We'll put department name equal to admin, and these two records will get deleted. See, now let's go with all this stuff without a where clause. So I'll show you how this statement works without a where clause. So what should be the result if I go with this delete statement without a where clause? So here is a warning again and again. Be careful because you could lose all your data. See, this is the data which we have and we want to delete this full data from the table. We are not having where condition over here. Let's see. 23 records affected means with this statement 23 records have been changed. Let's try our select statement again and see what is left in the table. So my table is a blank table now. I have lost my all data from this table, TBL department. So I'm having the empty table over here. Table is blank over here. The one thing which we have learned for now is if we are putting where condition just after the delete, it will filter the data first and then delete that filtered data. And second part is if we are putting delete statement without the where clause, it will delete complete data from your table, but the structure of the data will remain as it is. As you can see, department ID, department name is active, everything is there, but data is not there. So you can clean your table by using the delete statement. So that's all for now. Hope you liked our video. Thank you. Keep moving forward. Keep learning. If you have not subscribed our channel, then it's our request. Kindly subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon, like, share, and comment. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.